With TikTok shop on the rise, I believe that most people such as myself and you can make approximately $1,000 to $10,000 per month just creating random videos for products on the platform. This is just done by joining the TikTok shop affiliate and promoting products on the platform, which is the journey I'm currently on. I'm trying to make $10,000 per month. And right now, I'm making approximately $200 per month with 2 accounts on the TikTok shop. I mostly see in the comment section that most of you are saying that I should show my results and how much money are you making and a whole lot of questions. Listen, I'm here to teach you technical stuff. Don't worry, I'm going to show you results when I do get my first $10,000 with a TikTok shop. To promote products on a TikTok shop affiliate, you first need to add products to your product showcase on your page. In doing so, you can then add products to your videos when you are about to upload them on the platform. So to promote the product, you first have to add the products to your showcase on your page. And then when you're about to upload the video, you then add the product from the showcase to your video. Simple. This is how it's going to look like when a page adds products to its showcase. Right here, this is Digital Health Dose, and this is a page that is doing the TikTok shop affiliate, and you can see there are a lot of videos here. Now, when I click on the showcase button, you can see that a list of products right here, and they have almost about 5,000 products sold and 7 products. They are currently promoting 7 products, right? So these are the products on the showcase. So you then have to add products here to be added onto your videos when you're about to upload them. You can see the showcase option here, and you can also click the shopping button. And when a person comes on this page and clicks on the product and makes a purchase, you also make a commission. Without even adding products to the video, you tend to make a commission. So that is why you mostly see the showcase option on most of the pages which are in the TikTok shop affiliate. Let's dive on into the steps on how you can add these products to your own showcase when you join the TikTok shop affiliate. This is one of my accounts, and here I'm going to go to the TikTok studio, and then in the monetization section, I'm going to click TikTok shop for creators. It's going to take you here, and today I only have one product view, and this is a new account. So this is the TikTok shop toolkit. So from here, then we have product marketplace here, product managed showcase, and a whole lot of options right here. To add products to your showcase, you then have to click on product marketplace. Once you are here, you see a variety of products that you can add to your showcase to be added to the videos when you do want to promote these products. So right here we have Beast Bites and a whole lot of hand grips, and Mary Roots, a multivitamin, and a whole lot of products right here. To add these products to your showcase, you simply have to click on add. They need to be added to your showcase. There are a list of products here. And one thing I love about this place is that if you can't find a product, you can then search for that product. Right here, I'm going to search for Goli, which is the Goli Ashwagandha Gummy. And this is the most viral product, which is trending currently on the TikTok shop. So you can then click here and add the products to your showcase by clicking on the add option. Okay, we also have a list of categories here that you can select from the top. You can see that I'm scrolling there, and I'm currently on the For You, and you can see the Goli Ashwagandha, and there are a whole lot of products. So to add product to our showcase, I'm then going to click on add. You see I clicked on add, and it says it's going to review my page before they allow me to promote the product. Most of the products too are free. Once you click on add, you'll be given opportunity to promote it. All right, so this is it. I clicked on Mary Roots multivitamin, and here it's going to show you promotion info where you get to see how much you'll be earning when you do make a sale. You also get to see the amount of products that are in stock that you need to promote. All right, so you can also request for a free sample here on this page, find similar products, and when you click on add to showcase, it will be added here. All right, you can also see viral videos that are currently trending for that product so that you can replicate from. So this is the showcase. This is my showcase. I've added a list of products. You can see that the Mary Roots liquid multivitamin is here. The Goli Ashwagandha is also here. To remove a product, just simply click on the product and click on remove, and then you have to remove the product, and that is how it's done. It's very simple. Okay, there are a list of products you can add. You can add as many as you want right here. Okay, so let's go back, and here when you click on the settings, you can see the smart organization where it organizes the product with ranks. Okay, so here you can see viral videos that you can learn from creators, and you can create these or replicate these videos to also go viral and make sales. All right, so this is it. This is the TikTok shop and how you can add product links to your videos and your showcase. All right, so now that we've added the products from our TikTok shop marketplace to our showcase, let's go on and add the product links to our videos. To add the product link, you first need to click on the upload symbol, which is the plus sign, and then select a video that you are promoting of the product. So I'm going to select any random video right here, and I'm going to click on next.
If your hair, this makes
next.
hair grow a lot.
And right here, you can see the option that says add link, products and more. Click on that option and select product. From here, you can see a list of products that I added from the TikTok shop product marketplace to the TikTok shop showcase. So right here, I'm going to select Mary Ruth liquid multivitamin, and it says make sure you follow our content guidelines and show this product in your video. Click on add, and it will be added to your video. Here, you can then adjust the name. Right now, it's Mary Ruth multivitamin, so I can then change it to anything I want. I'll prefer leaving it like that. Once you are done, just click on add, and then it will be added to the video. And that is how you add the product links to the video for TikTok shop creators or affiliates. So simple as that. That'll be it for today, guys. I'm currently on the same journey that brought me here onto this channel. I want to make $10,000 per month with the TikTok creativity programs or the TikTok shop. Any of these two. I currently have 2 accounts, and I make $200 each on these accounts per month. And I'm still grinding hard, and I know I'm going to get there. And when I do get there, I'm going to make a full tutorial on how I did it. How I made $10,000 per month on TikTok. See you in the next one. Peace.